In this video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. Instead of doing a normal strategy video, I'm going to be testing out someone else's strategy. The strategy I will be testing claims to have a 78% win rate, and I want to see if I can reproduce that result. So let's jump into TradingView to test the strategy out. Okay, so we're here on a Bitcoin USD chart with a 15-minute time frame. Now this strategy uses three indicators, the first of which is called the volume weighted average price indicator. So we'll go into our indicator menu and search for it. The second indicator is called volume profile and is created by Angel Algo. Now, one interesting thing I noticed is this second indicator is fairly new, as not many people have used it before. And on this second indicator, we do have to change some settings. So accessing the Angel Algo settings, we can go to the inputs and change the window from 500 to 300. Now we're ready for the third and final indicator. Heading up to the indicator bar, we can search for CM EMA Trends by Chris Moody. We need to change some settings on this indicator as well, so heading over to the CM EMA settings, we can change the EMA uptrend from 34 to 200 and disable this option below it. Now with our setup complete, let's jump into the conditions of this strategy. First, for a long trade, we're only going to want to buy when the price bars are green. Second, the price action must break above the VWAP upper band. Third, the point of control of the volume profile indicator must be inside the VWAP bands at the time the breakout occurs. Once these conditions are met, we can enter our long buy order on the close of our trigger candlestick, with the stop loss set at the close of the recent candlestick and the take profit target at 1.5 times the risk. Now let's understand how to set up a short position. So first, we only want to sell when the candlesticks are a red color. Second, the price action must cross and close below the lower VWAP band. And third, the volume profile blue line must be inside the VWAP bands at the time the breakout happens. Now we can place a sell order on the close of our trigger candlestick, with the stop loss set at the close of the recent candlestick and the take profit target at 1.5 times the risk. Alright, now that you know how I'm testing this, I'm going to spend a couple of trading sessions backtesting this and bring you guys the results. So 3 trading sessions later, and I've completed the backtesting. As we can see, the win rate I got was 72%. While this is lower than the claimed 78%, it's still very close. All backtesting sessions will be completely different, so coming this close was actually quite a nice surprise. Our realized profit was over 370%, which is incredible. However, in relation to our win rate of 72%, I was actually expecting slightly higher. The profit factor for the strategy was 3.86, and we had 7 consecutive wins against 6 consecutive losses. I was again surprised by this, as it is a very close ratio for the win rate we had. And with that, this test is wrapped up. As always, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any trading strategy videos you want me to test, comment them down below and I'll try to test them out in the future.